guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a vlog style, but not really a vlog, if that makes sense. I haven't been home consistently for quite a while. I've done trips and then I've been home for like 1 or 2 days and then I'm off again. Because of that, my fridge is kind of a joke. I haven't done a proper grocery shop in a really long time and a lot of things went bad. So I need to do a fridge clean out and then I need to go to the grocery store and do a big grocery haul. So I thought this would be kind of a fun video. Some of you may not agree. I know some of you will. Let's get to it. So this top row here is where I always keep my drinks, and I do have a couple Zevias right now, a bunch of nude vodkas because we went camping and didn't drink a lot of them, and a few beers. So these are totally fine to be chilling up here. I don't know how long chicken broth lasts after you open it. I feel like this is probably bad. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these snap peas. Edible, perhaps? No. This is fine. This is fine. This has not even been opened yet. That's fine. Some cashew butter. I am unsure about the mayonnaise. This expires in September, so we're okay. I think this is parsley. Looks pretty wilty. That'll go into the compost. Half of a moldy lime. I know for a fact that this cheese is molding, as you can see right here. This is the one thing that sucks about traveling because all of this just goes bad. I think I saw mold in this, so that's gotta go. These are definitely too old. Oh, feta. I'm really scared to open this. This is gonna be disgusting. It's not moldy, but it just looks so dry. I'm surprised there's not mold on that sour cream. Scared. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh my gosh. No mold, but this expired. Oh my gosh, this expired in May. These potatoes look okay. I'm gonna keep these. These ones look all right. Apples last a long time. This pepper feels okay. So here is my fridge currently. And this is everything that needs to get composted or thrown out. So I just wrote down a list of everything that I'm going to be picking up at the grocery store. Like, this is what I will pick up quite frequently. And then tonight we're gonna be making taco chicken with, I can't remember the recipe we're making. Anyways, we're making some like taco chicken with like a corn salsa or something. So these are just the things here that I need to pick up for that. So I just went to the grocery store and now I am back with the goods. I did a little stop at Save on Foods and Whole Foods as well. And I actually got stuck in the parking garage. I moved my credit cards and stuff into my gym bag when I went to the gym this morning. Totally forgot to put them back in my purse. So I didn't have any cash on me. I didn't have my cards. And luckily I have like the tap on my phone, so I was able to buy the groceries through my phone. But for the parking ticket, you needed actual cash or card. And they also couldn't do cash back on my credit card. So I was kind of screwed. Luckily, Colby came and saved me and brought me his credit card and was able to pay for my card to get out of the parking garage. But I was stuck there for a little bit, so that was a little awkward. Anyways, back home with food. I got some Philadelphia light cream cheese. I don't usually get cream cheese, but I had a craving for bagels with alfalfa sprouts, cucumber, tomato, spices, and cream cheese. Is really, really good. Such a good combination. Picked up sesame bagels. This is another thing that I never really buy, but sometimes you gotta switch it up a little bit. I also got alfalfa sprouts. I actually love these. They taste so good on sandwiches and bagels and stuff. I got some bananas, and I usually like to get some that are a little bit more green and some that are more ripe. Now that I look at these, they kind of look the same. Bananas is definitely one of the things that I buy every time I go grocery shopping. I also got some strawberries, and these ones smell so fresh. Got some baby spinach, mostly for smoothies. Got a couple avocados. Again, I like to get one that's a little bit more ripe because we're gonna be having this tonight. And then this one will probably be pretty good tomorrow. 2 limes. This is also for the recipe that we're making tonight. And if you guys want to know what we're making, I will find the recipe on Pinterest and I'll put the link down below. I got 2 grapefruits. These are really great for breakfast, just super quick and easy. I like to put either stevia or some brown sugar on it, or you can just eat it on its own. An onion, a tomato, some cilantro, a can of corn. Again, this is something I don't normally buy, but it is for the recipe that we're making. Got some more almond milk. This is another staple for me. Got some coffee, and I do have a grinder, so lately I've been getting the actual beans. It's just more fresh, but sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to grind my beans, so this is just pre-ground coffee, and it's really cheap and it's pretty good. This is my all-time favorite yogurt, the Oikos Greek Vanilla. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. I like to buy the big bags because I use these in a lot of different things. Mostly like baking and stuff. Picked up some more eggs. I probably shouldn't have gotten these because I've eaten 95% of the pack. There's only a few left in here. But this is my favorite licorice, just the Panda All Natural Raspberry licorice. It's so good. Delish. I saw these Hi I'm Skinny quinoa sticks made with chia seeds. It's the Ancient Grain Sea Salt one. I just thought it was interesting. Let's give it a go. It kind of tastes like a mix between a chip and a cracker. I did a mini grocery haul recently and I told you guys that I'm obsessed with kombucha right now. So this is the Love One Brew Doctor Kombucha. I didn't pick these up, but these were sent to me today. 2 boxes of Lara bars because I'm going to be doing some collabs with them. And I've been eating these bars for a while. I actually have never tried the apple one. This one is really good. And then this is my other favorite, which is the peanut butter chocolate chip. So super stoked to be collabing with them. This has nothing to do with the collab, but thought I would throw it into the grocery haul since I got those today. I was also sent all of these honeys from Drizzle, so shout out to Drizzle. They are made in Canada and they have all of these flavors. There's cacao, turmeric, gold, ginger, and white. They also sent me honeycomb. So not sponsored, but thank you guys for that. Hello, so it is me from the next day, and I just wanted to add in a little something because my cousin dropped off some produce for me. This is from our family farm. If any of you guys are from Vancouver, Ralph's is kind of in Langley Aldergrove. So she gave me some fresh fruit and vegetables that is all local. So we have some raspberries. How good do those look? Some cherries. My grandma and grandpa used to have a cherry orchard up in the Okanagan, and these might be from the Okanagan, but this just always reminds me of my childhood summer because we would pick cherries up at the farm. Got some lettuce. I want to say that this is romaine. A bag of potatoes. These are always good as like a side for dinners and stuff. So she told me that these ones need to be kept refrigerated. So yeah, definitely go check out Ralph's Farm Market if you guys are in this area. And now I have some more produce to add to the fridge. So here's a final overview of my fridge. I feel like if I didn't have these alcoholic beverages at the top, this would be pretty healthy. Decided to keep the cold brew. I think this is fine. We have almond milk, the kombucha, maple syrup, some soy sauce, apple cider vinegar. We got the eggs, my black seed oil, Greek yogurt, my beverage selection, condiment selection. These are all my vegetables, and these are all of my fruits, plus chocolate chips. Let's pretend those aren't there. This is some leftover vegetables from the dinner last night, but I do like keeping my produce out here so I see it, because I feel like if I see it, I'm more likely to eat it. Before, I was putting it all in here, and then I just never saw it, so I'd never eat it, and it would go bad. I'm gonna try to keep my produce out like this, and I feel like I'll make better use of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my grocery haul slash fridge clean out slash what's in my fridge. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. It really helps me out. Also give it a thumbs up if you guys want more food related videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I also have all my social media links down below if you guys aren't following me on Twitter or Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all in my next video. Peace out.